Weekly cleaning is recommended to keep your Honeywell Cool Moisture humidifier running efficiently. All maintenance should be done in the kitchen or bathroom on a water-resistant surface near a faucet. Be sure to follow the separate steps for descaling and disinfecting. Before cleaning, turn off and unplug. Empty the water tank, then remove housing, filter, and accessories from the humidifier. Both steps are important and should be performed weekly. The water tank and tray are top rack dishwasher safe, but the rest of the unit will need to be cleaned by hand. To descale the unit, pour 2 cups of undiluted distilled white vinegar in the water tank and replace the cap. Swish the solution in the tank to make sure the vinegar wets the entire inside. Place the tank on the base so the vinegar can drain into the water reservoir and loosen mineral buildup. Soak for 20 minutes. After soaking, empty vinegar from the water tank and wipe the base with a soft cloth. Use the soft cloth to wipe inside the tank if necessary. Rinse the tank and base with water until the smell of vinegar is gone. To disinfect the humidifier, mix a gallon of water with a teaspoon of bleach. Pour bleach solution into the water tank and replace the cap. Swish the solution in the tank to make sure it wets the entire inside. Place the tank on the base to let the solution drain into the reservoir and soak for 20 minutes. Empty the solution from the tank and base, then rinse with water until the smell of bleach is gone.
If you've only washed dishes in the sink before, now you can rinse your humidifier as well. With the Miro Clean Pot, all parts are easily washable with just soap and water. The outer funnel, floating base, inner funnel, and waterproof ultrasonic module are all washable with water and soap, and they are very easy to assemble. Miro's humidifier creates a fresh environment by clean ultrasonic vaporization. With the unit's simple but powerful design, you can have a healthy way to humidify your home. Feel the comfort and enjoy the freshness of sanitary humidification with the CleanPot by Miro.
When it gets chilly outside and congestion and allergies act up, dry air can make matters worse. Levoit's new Classic 200 humidifier has state-of-the-art technology to ensure you get the moisture in the air that you need. Enjoy up to 40 hours of humidity and choose between 3 mist levels. Use the 360-degree mist nozzles to direct the mist for maximum comfort. You can even use your humidifier to fill the room with relaxing aromas from essential oils. And when it's time for bed, the Classic 200 can run without light and operate quieter than a library. When the humidifier runs out of water, it automatically turns off. Easily clean your humidifier using vinegar and get an even deeper clean with the included cleaning brush. With a wide opening and a handle on the water tank, it is easy to refill and carry. No matter how dry it gets in your home this winter, put some moisture back in the air with Levoit's Classic 200 humidifier.